Alrighty, let's go over how to draw Palworld, and we're gonna go over how to draw Foxparks. All right, cool character. Let's go through it. You're gonna know how to do it in 5 minutes. All right, let's do it together. Okay, follow along. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna draw a curve down for the top of the forehead. Okay, of Foxparks. Pull down over here for the eye. Curve another right there for more of the eye. Out over here, kind of to the end of the nose. Down over here, pull back. He's obviously based on a fennec fox. Hopefully you're having a chill time with Palworld. Let me know what you think of the game. I'm really curious. Do you guys like the game? Curve over here for the top of that eye. Down over here for this part of the eye. And line over here. Gonna go over here this area, curve over here on this area, curve, line over here, circle, line over here, line over here. Okay. Smile. Line down over here. Okay, so you kind of have that. Again, we want it to look like a fox, right? That's kind of the point. Curve line at the top of the head. I want you to hold on for a split second, okay? I want you to go check out the new blog. I'm going to put the link in the description. It is sketchmonsterart.com. Sketchmonsterart.com. It is a blog. It's going to teach you everything you need about like drawing lessons. Well, not drawing lessons, but it's going to teach you more about like the ethics of drawing. How can you draw faster and better? Like how do you improve your practice? It's going to give you stickers as well. There's stickers on that website. Go check that out. Lots of stuff. I'm adding to it every single day. That's kind of where I hang out, and that's my hub. So go take a look at that. Ow, my arm hurts a little bit. Gonna go over here now. Back, back, out, back, out, back. Alrighty, gonna go over here, up. So the ear is really big. And down over here. Gonna go over here, pull up. And down over here for the inner ear, right there. And then we're gonna close that up. So now we're gonna have the same shape on the far end over here. So we're gonna go up over here. Down there. And line over here, and line over here. There you go. Curve down right there for the kind of chest area. And line down here for kind of the, front foot. Downward, it's gonna be sitting down. And we're gonna pull up, okay? Pull up. Gonna go over here now, curve for the tail. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit complicated, so stay with me on this. This is gonna be a bit more, hold on one second, a bit more complicated than it needs to be. Now, well, I'm gonna make it easy for you. Don't worry about it though, but stay with me. Gonna go over here, up, in, up, in. He's got fire on his tail over here. Zigzag over here. And down over here now. Zigzag over here. Over here in this area. Another zigzag for kind of the coloration on the tail, which is something that, can be really good, honestly. Okay, gonna go right here for the hind leg. And now his feet are engulfed in a kind of his own flame, right? Which is pretty cool. So let's do that right now. We're gonna go over here and bottom of the foot's gonna look normal, but then it's gonna go up right here. Line over here. Curve line over here. And let's just go to the front legs that are on fire. Line right there underneath. Curving up over here, up over here, up over here, up over here, up. There we go. Line over there for the side of the foot. Curve right there. So now, you know, he's got like fire on that front foot as well. It's pretty much engulfed in it. Curve over here now. Up, up, up over here. And there we go. Thicken that line just a little bit over here in the back. So let's give some coloration to the fire. So right here on the inside of this, I'm gonna draw almost the exact same pattern right there. See that? It's like a little similar pattern to make it look like it's an ignited, a flame that's ignited. And you can kind of do the same thing over here at the one on his tail if you want. Throw in like inner flame, inner, you know, like the light is getting so shiny, right? That, by the way, don't forget to hit the like button if you are here right now. If you hit the like button, I'm gonna give you a digital high five. I'm like, wow, you are amazing. But definitely hit the like button. It's gonna help everything in the algorithm, and you guys are amazing. You're amazing, you. But that's pretty much the end of the drawing. That is Foxparks. That was pretty much what? Is that 5 minutes? A little bit over 5 minutes. So thank you so much. Come back for the next one. Subscribe. That's the first thing you're going to do. Subscribe right now so you can see everything else. If you want, well, we can draw like a dot right here in the inner eye. The iris. Subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video, okay? You are amazing, okay? Remember that. And I want you to stay here. We're going to do another video together right now. So let's do another lesson with me right now. Let's get started. Let's get moving on it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.